Hello students. Now in this part of Standard 6 Maths and CRT Chapter 2 Exercise 2.3 explanation, we will learn how to arrange numbers in elementary shapes like line, square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Now these shapes are made up of dots. Every natural number should be arranged in one of these shapes. The elementary shapes used will be a line, a square, a rectangle and a triangle. Okay, and no other shape is allowed. Now starting with a line. Now natural numbers start with 1, as you all know. Now 1 is a special number. If we put one dot, it is not possible to arrange one dot as a line or any other shape. So we will start with 2. If we put 2 dots, we can join the dots. We will get a line. So 2 can be arranged as a line. In the same way, we can arrange 3, 4, 5 and so on as a line. So remember, all the natural numbers can be arranged as a line. Coming to squares, some numbers like 4, 9, 16, etc. can be arranged as a square. 4 can be arranged as shown, that is 2 rows and 2 columns, that is 2 by 2. 9 can be arranged as 3 rows and 3 columns, that is 3 by 3, and we will get a square, and so on. So remember, squares of natural numbers can be arranged as squares. So students, remember, in squares number of rows and number of columns will be same, that is dots will be same in rows and columns. Now coming to rectangles. As you all know, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That is, number of rows and number of columns will be different. For example, 6. We can arrange 6 dots as shown. 2 rows and 3 columns, that is 2 by 3, or 3 rows and 2 columns, that is 3 by 2. Okay. Coming to example 2, let us take 20. We can arrange 20 dots as 5 rows and 4 columns, that is 5 by 4, or 4 rows and 5 columns, that is 4 by 5. Now students, we cannot arrange numbers like 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. as rectangles. Why? Because they are prime numbers, and prime numbers have only 2 factors. We can write them as 3 into 1 or 1 into 3. Coming to 5, it can be written as 5 into 1 or 1 into 5. 11, it can be written as 11 into 1 or 1 into 11. So if we join the dots, we will get a vertical or horizontal line only. We cannot form rectangles with prime numbers, remember it. And all the composite numbers, they can be arranged as rectangles. I have given you 2 examples, okay. Now 15 also we can arrange 3 rows, 5 columns, 5 rows, 3 columns, okay. So some numbers can be arranged as rectangles, remember. Now coming to triangles. Now take now 2 dots cannot be arranged as triangle, okay. Now take 3. As shown, we can arrange 3 dots as a triangle, okay. Now increase 1 dot in the bottom row, we will get 3 dots, okay. Now complete the triangle. So we have to put 1 dot at the top row. So we will get 6 dots. Next triangle you can see we will get 6 dots. Okay, after 3 dots we can arrange 6 as a triangle. Now again increase 1 dot in the bottom row. So we will get 4 dots in the bottom row and try to complete the triangle. So at the top row you will get 1 dot. Try it in your books also. So now count the dots. How many dots are there? 10 dots. So 3, 6, 10 and then 15. Now 15, then afterwards you will get 21, 28. These numbers we can arrange as triangles. You can try them. And how? You have to increase 1 dot at the bottom row and 1 dot you have to put at the top row. Okay, as shown. Then so in this way, if we go on increasing 1 dot in the bottom row, and you have to increase 1 dot in the top row also, then only you will get a complete triangle. Okay, so in this way 3, 6, 10, 15, then 21, 28, like this the pattern will go, and these numbers can be arranged as triangles. Now what is the pattern? I will tell you. Now after 3, we will start with 3. From 3 we are getting 6. How? We are adding 3. Then after 6, 10 can be arranged as a triangle. That is, we are adding 4 to 6. Then you can see the pattern. Add 5 to 10. You will get 15 dots. Then add 6. Then add 7. Then add 8. So the series form, the numbers you get in that series, they can be arranged as triangles. Okay. Now this is about arranging natural numbers in dots, using dots. Okay. Now next. Now here you have to fill up this table. Okay. Now natural numbers up to 13 are given. So you have to fill up whether you can arrange them as line, rectangle, square or triangle. I have shown you the pattern. You can fill up, I think. Okay. So line, all will be yes. All the numbers can be arranged as a line. And rectangles, I told you prime numbers cannot be arranged. Composite numbers can be arranged. So accordingly you can fill up the table. Then square, that is squares of natural numbers can be arranged. Now triangle, I showed you the pattern. Okay. So fill it up. Then some questions are given, we will answer them. Which numbers can be shown only as a line? That is all the numbers. Which can be shown as squares? That is squares of natural numbers. Which can be shown as rectangles? Composite numbers. Now write down the first 7 numbers that can be arranged in triangular form. That is, you can do. I have explained. Some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles, that you can do. Okay, I have shown you in the example. Now comes patterns observation. Now pattern observation will help you in simplifying processes, that is mathematical operations. Now example 1, 117 plus 9. Now 9 you can write as 10 minus 1. Okay, so first add 10, it is very easy, and then you subtract 1, you will get the answer 126. In the same way, subtraction, 117 minus 9. How will you do? First subtract 10. So we are subtracting one more number, so you have to nullify it. So add it. माइनस ज़्यादा किया है तो एक प्लस करके उसको नलीफाई करना है. ठीक है. So you will get the answer 108. Now 2 more examples are given. You can go through. Now then comes multiplication. Okay, 84 multiplied by with 9. 9 we can write as 10 minus 1. That is, and after that you can use distributive property and you can simplify. Okay, in the same way 84 into 99. 99 you can write as 100 minus 1. 999 you can write as 1000 minus 1 and use distributive property. You have learnt in exercise 2.2. Okay, now come to multiplication. 96 multiplied with 5. Now 5 you can write as 10 upon 2, and then you can solve it. It is very easy. Multiplication with 10 is very easy. 960, then divided by 2. That is also very easy. So your simplification will become very easy. So in this way you can solve the other examples. Go through them. Now one more pattern is given, 64 multiplied with 5. So 5 he has written as 10 upon 2, but here he has not directly multiplied. 640 उसने नहीं लिखा है, उसने क्या किया है, what he has done, 64 को half कर दिया, divided by 2 कर दिया, so he got 32, and then he has multiplied with 10. Okay, so this way he has done the pattern. So go through it. Now with exercise 2.3, which of the following will not represent 0? Now here you can see 1 plus 0 is 1. That is not representing 0. 0 multiplied with 0 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 10 minus 10 you will get 0. So 0 upon 2 is 0. Now if the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through examples. Now yes, if one number is 0, then you will get the product as 0. And if both the numbers are 0, then also you will get 0. So I have given you the example. You can follow it. Question 3. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through example. Now students, if both the numbers are 1, then only we will get product as 1. If one number is 1, then we will get the other number, that is suppose 23 into 1, we will get 23. So it will hold good only when both the numbers are 1. Now question 4, you can solve it by distributive property. You have done in exercise 2.2. Okay, and the fifth question, study the pattern. Now study the pattern. 1 multiplied with 8 and you are adding 1. So you will get 9. See the pattern. Next natural number he has written 12. Multiplied with 8, it is common, plus 2. You get 98. Then 1, 2, 3 multiplied with 8 plus 3, you will get 987. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied with 8 plus 4, you will get 9876. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5, you will get 98765. So next two steps will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied with 8 plus 6, you will get 987654. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiplied with 8 plus 7, you will get 987654. Okay, so in this way you have to observe the pattern and complete them. So I hope you have understood. Thank you.